Good morning, good afternoon, and good day. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Mozaik's drag and drop system and how easy it is to design a kitchen. So as you can see, I've preloaded my room in and I've included the white goods that are currently in the customer's property. I'm going to start by changing my view so that you can see the wall that I'm working on. Next to my cooker, I'm going to put a set of utensil drawers, and above that, I'm going to put my spice rack. I may think that this spice rack is slightly high, so I can change the elevation if I wish, down to say 1350. That makes it slightly more accessible. I'm then going to come across and I'm going to put a sink base in, and I'm not going to line that up to anything purely because I'm then going to stretch it to where I wish it to be, like so. I'm then going to bring that into my cabinet editor, and I'm going to clear my face out, and I'm going to split that once down the middle and change one side to a pair of doors, and then I'm going to split the other side in 3, and I'm going to change that to a set of drawers. I'm also going to change the width of this 580. As you can see, that's now brought in my product. So I have my set of drawers, my pair of doors, my utensil drawers, and my shelves above for my spices. We are then going to change to our next view. So as you can see, I have my washing machine, my dishwasher, and my tumble dryer against this wall. We are going to bring in a corner cabinet in that bottom, maybe a 45. And then across this base, we're going to load in some 2 doors. So 1 and 2, like so. I'm then going to come to do my wall cabinets. I'm going to start by matching the 45-degree cabinet that's at the bottom and putting one at the top as well. The customer has also asked for a wine holder, so I'm going to load one of them in as well. As you can see, it holds 8 wine bottles, and I'm going to push that right to the wall. I'm then going to start filling this space here with my cabinets that I already have. Like so. And there we have it, the finished side on that angle. If I then move to my final third angle, you can see all of the cabinets on both sides. I'm then going to come into my tops and we're going to auto build some tops. You can see that it comes up with the cutting information for the sink, and I'm going to click OK, and you can see that has cut in as well. So that is it, ready to go straight to the optimizer and be cut on your CNC or produce a cut list ready for your saw.